Good afternoon and welcome to another session of problem solving. We are going to be looking at problem number 3 from our escape room for units 1 through 4 that the students did in class on November 13th. And we will be using our Connect 4 thinking in order to organize our thoughts and to show our work. So the problem says Italy has 29 orchards that grow grapes. France has 56 orchards that grow grapes. Spain has 48 orchards that grow grapes. How many orchards do all three countries have that grow grapes? So we've read it one time. Our strategy is that we have to read it 3 times total before we start working anything. But this time we can start using our word problem strategy. So Italy has 29 orchards that grow grapes. France has 56 orchards that grow grapes. Spain has 48 orchards that grow grapes. How many orchards do all three countries have that grow grapes? So we're looking for orchards and we're talking about all three countries. So once again, Italy has 29 orchards that grow grapes. France has 56 orchards that grow grapes. Spain has 48 orchards that grow grapes. How many orchards do all three countries have that grow grapes? So we know by reading our problem 3 times that there's no unnecessary information. Everything that we need is in the problem, and there's nothing that we don't need to worry about. So we're first going to start with our picture. And right now, students are working with base 10 blocks to create their picture. So Italy has 29 orchards that grow grapes. So 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. France has 56. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, and 56. And Spain has 48. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, and 48. So we've drawn our picture representation of this, and if students wanted, they could come through and count the base 10 blocks to find the total, but we want to push them a little bit further than that. So we need to then move on to our model. So students now need to decide, do I have a total? Or is the total what I'm looking for? And in this case, the question is asking us to find the total. And it's given us parts. This is also the time when students need to determine how many parts do I have. And in this case, we're talking about all 3 countries, including Italy, France, and Spain, and looking to find the total number of orchards that all 3 have. So Italy had 29, France had 56, Spain had 48. Now we're ready to move on to actually working the operation. This is also when students need to look at the model to help guide them on what to do. We've talked in class about how the total is equal to the parts added together. And so they should know that at this point they need to add the 3 parts to determine their total. So their operation is going to say 29 plus 56 plus 48. We draw our place value lines to keep our work and our place values separated and organized. 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 plus 8 is 23. We leave our ones and we carry the tens. So now we've finished with our ones place and we need to move on to our tens place. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 5 is 9, plus 4 is 13. We've got to regroup again. We leave our ones, we carry our tens. 1 plus nothing is 1. And our final step is to create a sentence that answers the question. And in this case, it would say all 3 countries have a total of 133 orchards that grow grapes. And that's it. That is the proper way that this problem should have been solved.